Hi, I'm Mike with Elmer's Manufacturing. On your Elmers, you have the option of a tow hitch. We got a tow hitch with a 1 3/4 inch pin, and we've also got a 7-pin egg connector if you want to tow in between fields. We'll also show you the clean out. We've got the clean out here with a nice big wrench. And what happens here is it opens it up 4 inches right from front to back. The nice thing about that is it's very easy to clean out. You've got a couple of tie-in spots in the axle that you have to blow out or scrape out with your hands. And there's less than a bushel of grain left in here at the end of the day to clean out. So for all you popcorn farmers and switching between fields, custom cutters, really like this option.